guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Titapreneur. Your tita is an entrepreneur. If you are new in my channel here, I'm trying to help small online sellers grow their business. I am very happy and excited for today's video because this is one of the most requested video even before I started doing YouTube. Early on last year when I decided to beef up my IG stories, I was able to triple our sales. And not only that, I was able to generate a separate sales by just doing an Instagram stories alone. Since then, I have been receiving tons and tons of inquiries from my co-sellers and even my customers on what apps I have been using on my Instagram stories. So guys, today is the day because I will be sharing with you my Instagram stories app for 2020 that really helped me grow my business. So guys, if you're interested, please click subscribe, give me some thumbs up, and click the small bell down below. Alright, get your phones and let's get started. Here are some of the Instagram story apps that I will be sharing with you today. First is the Canva. This is my go-to app for all of my social media postings. I like the layouts in here, so clean, so simple, and so easy to use with. I'm gonna use this design, very simple, and I think will perfectly match my photo. You can also change the text, the font, and the size. Here they have a very cool collection of fonts you can use. Design them however you want. One good thing about Canva is that you can use this through your desktop and save it through your mobile. Cool, right? Next is Over. It has also a lot of templates for all of your social media postings. Here, you can be more creative by creating a story set with a beginning and an end. You can also make or download your logo and use it through your photos. Here, we have a variety of templates depending on their themes and needs. But always remember, do not outshine your products. I like using Over in making my transparent background that I use for photo reposting. Here, I'm making a heart background. I just duplicate the graphic, resize, paste, and repeat the process. You can use other graphics that are available here in Over or download in other websites. Just don't forget to save it through PNG. Next is the StoryArt. This is my latest obsession right now. They have a bunch of different templates. They have literally every single one that you can find which one will go on a brand or any stories that you want to tell. Here I'm using a marketing layout which I think is cute and perfect for my business. Here I'm making a work from home outfit which is basically one design with different colors. Uniform, right? Next is the V-Cus or V-Cus, whatever. This is so amazing and very easy to use. It has a whole list of songs that you can choose from. I love the cinematic and the happy ones because of its upbeat music. Each of these songs comes with a template of a couple seconds each that really matches the actions and transitions. You can directly point and shoot from here. You may choose slow-mo or not. And you can also upload your video collection. You can also edit or cut as to what part of the video you wish to include. Trivia: this app was the launching of my IG Stories main game, and up to now, whenever I use it, 100% items sold. You can also personalize its filter and transition. So easy, right? So go ahead and make your own video now. Next is the end stories, bringing our IG stories to the next level. I think this is more dynamic and engaging. It also has a bunch of templates to choose from. You can choose a story set with a corresponding seamless layout and templates that fits the entire stories, which I think is a super win. Here are some of the templates you can choose to fit your brand or your stories. But for the purpose of this video, we shall use the simple template. You can also add music from their library, which makes this video even better. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I hope you've learned something. Please let me know on the comment below on what apps you are going to try. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you again next week. Stay home and keep safe.